nights and did stuff till like, first night I was there till like 8, and the second night I was there till like 11. And then we immediately went to Ohio yesterday. Which, I mean, it's been fun stuff, it's just I haven't been home.
Say hi.
Get Grandma.
Say hi, Grams. That's not hi, that's get out of my face.
So get out of my face.
Look who's awake.
Momentarily.
Oliver.
Leave him alone.
Is that his favorite spot?
It's up there. Oliver.
Nick, this is only entertaining to you.
Oliver, come here.
Screw you, Dad.
Oliver, who's here?
He ain't touching.
Nick, come on.
Come here, Ollie.
That's what you get.
Yeah, you come over and you see some meat.
Go snort at him again. He called you. Go snort at him.
Oliver, you're such a good dog.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I teased him.
He has like 150 pictures of Oliver on his phone.
Holly. Hi! Oh, he wants your attention, Grandmama.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy.
Flower over you.
That's okay.
It's a real pleasure. Certainly.
Holly, are you with Great Grandma? Yes.
15% more car insurance.
Yes. Holly, Holly, are you a good boy?
He wants
my hand out of there.
so bad.
He wants my hand out. Come on. We woke you up for this.
Holly, I'll let you sleep now. I'm sorry.
You're a good doggy.
Good night, poopy puppy.